Hi everyone, this is an introduction to the chain rule. So for these first two examples we're going to write a composite function in the form of f g of x, and then identify the inner function as u, so this would be your u for this one, as g of x, and the outer function is y equals f of u. So y in this, let me do red, y equals tan of u, and then use this formula. So we're using Leibniz notation, and what you can do is write this as, we're going to let u equals g of x, which equals pi of x. And then so therefore y equals tan of u. That's going to be our u. It's also known as u substitution. And now we just have to plug everything in. And we're using this formula here. Derivative of y with respect to x equals derivative of y with respect to u, that's this piece, times the derivative of u with respect to x. And that's going to be that piece. So, and then you multiply it. So the derivative of tan of u is secant squared u times the derivative of u, and that's just going to be pi. Now we have to plug in our u into this. So our u is that. So when you rewrite it, you're going to write, let's write this first, pi times secant squared, and our u is pi times x. And that's your derivative. Let's do the next problem. So next one, we're going to let u equal this inner function. So u equals g of x. Well, that's going to be cotan of x. And so therefore, this is going to be your u part. So now our y equals sine of u. All right. Now, we're going to use our formula, derivative of y with respect to x. We're just kind of expanding it out here. So we have these two derivative of u's. So these two would cancel out if you want it. Anyway, so let's do first derivative of y with respect to u. Well, that's just cosine of u. Now, derivative of cotan of x is negative cosecant squared of x. Now the last bit is we're just going to replace this u. So our u is cotan of x. So, and I'm going to pull this negative out. So we have negative cosine of u. Our u is cotan of x. And then just copy this down. Times cosecant squared x. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.